Hi, I am Hendy Missial. Welcome to this video series 3 on Python GUI calculator application using Tkinter. So far, our calculator is capable of displaying only numbers. Even though we click on the plus sign, nothing happens. To fix that, we are going to add functionalities to perform basic arithmetic operation. Let's start with the addition operator. We need to add in our dictionary the plus sign. The way we do that, we use the same function that we use for the numbers. We copy that. We use the same function, and we just pass the plus sign as argument. The plus sign. Now we pair the plus sign with that calling function. And also, we need to define a function for the equal sign. Let's define our function. Let's call it button equal. We're gonna use the global variable expression, and we are going to use eval, a built-in Python function, to dynamically evaluate our expression. Let's do that. Let's create first a variable we call ans for answer, and we use eval to evaluate our expression. Okay, and expression, we assign ans to our expression. Ans. And we set our eval, that's set it to expression. Let's move up this function. Okay, we move it here. Good. And also we need to add the equal sign in our dictionary and pair it with the button equal function. Let's do that. I can copy that, copy, and put it here. Paste, and we change this, and also we change this to equal. Okay, and let's try it. Let's add 56 plus 4, 60. Great. Let's try 80 plus 20, 100. Great. Let's add multiplication operator to our dictionary. The way we do that, let's copy this one, the addition operator, copy, and we paste it here. Let's move down, paste it here. Say we change the plus to multiplication operator, and also we change here the key to multiplication operator. Let's add subtraction to Control V. We change here to minus sign, and also let's add the division operator. Here we go. Okay, let's try now. 2 plus 3, 5. Good. Now 4 times 2, 8. Great. And 9 minus 5, 4. And let's divide 8 by 2. Great. All our basic arithmetic operation works. Thank you for watching. Please leave your comment and subscribe.